Welcome to NewAge training on business levels. What is a business level? Your business with NewAge begins from the first day you join as a brand partner. To ensure you can achieve the greatest success with your business, NewAge sets you goals from the very beginning, starting with determining your potential earnings. Each different level has varying benefits, and you get to choose your target business level when you join. How do you achieve your business level? You activate your income position and achieve a business level by selling or using products within your first 4 weeks. This includes all products sold to customers and your personal orders. The higher your sales, the higher your business level. Each business level unlocks a lifetime of benefits and perks called business enhancements. What are the different business levels? Well, there are 4. They are called Ultimate, Elite, Business, and Activated. And the PV noted underneath each name is the total PV that you need to achieve in your first 4 weeks from your personal orders and your customer orders. Remember, count 4 Fridays from your enrollment date. Let's have a look at Ultimate Business Level. This is the top business level and requires you to achieve 1500 PV in personal or customer sales. By doing so, you achieve 2x membership, which doubles bonuses. You earn a power re-entry. We'll talk about that later. You qualify for 30% new volume bonus, and you receive 5 lines in your business. Let's have a look at 2x membership. We just mentioned that. Let's have a look and see what it is. What is 2x membership? You are granted 2x membership upon reaching your target business level within your first 4 weeks. 2x membership doubles all bonuses, except new volume bonus. 2x membership is only for brand partners, and if you don't reach your business level within your first 4 weeks, you can purchase the 2x membership for 199 Australian dollars. 2x membership is not included with the activated business level. However, it does come with business, elite, and ultimate business levels. Let's have a look at an example on how to achieve ultimate. So we're aiming for 1500 PV in your first 4 weeks from your personal and customer orders. So in this example, you, the brand partner, purchases $500 worth of products in your first 4 weeks, and then you have 6 customers that you sold products to, and their total PV added together equals 1000 PV. So their 1000 PV plus your 500 PV equals 1500 PV. That's inside your first 4 weeks. You will achieve ultimate. The next business level is elite. To achieve elite, you need 1000 PV in personal or customer sales in your first 4 weeks. If you do this, you achieve 2x membership, which doubles bonuses. You qualify for 25% new volume bonus, and you have 4 lines in your business. Let's take a look at an example on how to achieve elite. So you personally place an order for 200 PV, and then you have 4 customers, and each of those customers purchase 200 PV worth of products collectively inside your first 4 weeks. That's a total of 1000 PV, and you reach elite. Let's have a look at business level. So to achieve business, you need 500 PV in personal or customer sales inside your first 4 weeks. By doing this, you will achieve 2x membership, which doubles bonuses. You will qualify for 20% new volume bonus, and you will have 3 lines in your business. Let's have a look at an example of how to achieve business. So in this example, you purchase 100 PV worth of products, and you have 4 customers with the total of their PV equaling 400, so 100 from you and 400 from your customers is a total of 500 PV, which means you've achieved business. Let's take a look at activated business level. This is the minimum business level to earn commissions. You need 200 PV or more in personal or customer sales, which unlocks 15% new volume bonus and gives you 2 lines. Activated meets the minimum sales threshold of 200 PV. It means you are then eligible to be paid retail incentive bonus. So that's when you sell products to customers for higher than wholesale price. Now, any retail profits generated before you activate your business with 200 PV will be stored in your account until you reach that 200 PV mark and activate your account for commissions, and then they will be paid to you. Let's have a look at an example of how to reach activated. So in this example, there is 4 customers, each with 50 PV. That will activate your business and see you be commission qualified. A recap on business levels. So there are 4 business levels: Ultimate, which needs 1500 PV, Elite is 1000, Business is 500, and Activated is 200. And all PV from you or your customers' purchases within your first 4 weeks from your enrollment will count towards you achieving your business level. And as this PV is helping you achieve your business level, commissions are not paid on this PV. PV from personally sponsored brand partners does not count towards achieving your business level, and commissions run from Saturday to Friday.